What's going on? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be finishing up the Volkswagen liftgate repair and putting some primer on it. Got a good bit left to do today and not a whole lot of time, so we're going to get started. So in the last video I had wiped this with some Bondo, and now I've gotten it shaped up how I wanted to, blocked it all out nice and smooth. And this right here is my final coat. It's going to be just some finishing glaze, so I'm going to block this as well. I put this piece of tape here right across the body line. And this is so I make sure I get that nice sharp edge here where the body line is. Since we had some damage in this area, we just need to make sure we get this body line back sharp how it was. So what I'm going to be doing is start on the bottom and block sand up to the tape. And then once I get that where I want it, I'll peel the tape it again along the bottom here, and block the top down to the tape. And that should give us a nice sharp line here. When you're block sanding like this, you want to try and go in like a cross hatch pattern. So you want to try and switch directions, and you'll see me switch sides just to get like a nice even sand on it. It's probably gonna be hard to see on camera, but we've got our line right there. Now I'm just going to take my DA sander, clean up some of these edges, and we'll be ready for primer. Alright, so the last thing I wanted to do on this was test fit the emblem, make sure all that fits good, since we worked that area pretty heavily. So I think we're all good there, so I'm going to go ahead and prime this thing and be done for the day. Alright, that is going to do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you'd like to be notified whenever I post new videos. In the next one, we'll be finishing up this project and painting it and putting it back together. So, I want to thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.